Today, I'm going to give you some tips on how to train your dog to use pet steps. Many pets are shy when trying something new. It's important to get your dog comfortable with the steps before he ever tries to climb them. Most dogs are food motivated, so treats are going to be your best option to get your dog to try something new, even if they are a little nervous about it at first. To begin, place your steps flat in a safe place, like your living room floor. Place treats around the steps. This is letting your dog know that the steps are not dangerous. We want to reinforce that nothing about the steps are bad. When the steps are out, we want to create a positive environment. After the dog is used to the steps being in the room, adjust the steps to the upright position. We want them to get used to the texture on their paws. We will use treats to guide the dog onto the steps. This process may take some time based on the dog's personality. Allow the dog to go at their own pace. Refrain from picking the dog's paws up and placing them on the steps. This can cause an aversion to the steps and slow the training process to a halt. Once the dog is comfortable placing his paws on the steps, continue to use treats as motivation for your dogs to climb up and down the steps. Give lots of praise, and before long, your dog will be able to climb the steps on his own. Remember that you are also a motivation for your pet to use the steps. So if the steps lead to you, your dog may naturally want to join you. Make sure you do this after you've successfully seen the pet walk up the steps at least once, followed by treats and praise.
Regalo 4-in-1 play yard with 8 configurable panels that enclose 19 square feet. It also works as a fireplace barrier or a gate between rooms. Just use your imagination and the possibilities are endless. Durable all-steel construction, built to last and tough enough to use indoors or out. With no hassle, no tools installation, it sets up in a jiffy and comes down just as fast, folding up accordion style to make it ideal for storage or travel. The convenient walk-through gate simplifies your life with an easy-to-operate handle and safety lock. No more unwieldy latches or gates you have to climb over. We also include mounting hardware in case you want a more permanent installation.
A quiet dog is a calmer, more attentive, more trainable dog. And that's the advantage of the SportDOG NoBark collar family, offered in 3 new waterproof models. Our SBC8 collar is truly plug-and-play, with no programming required. It's easy to use and offers 8 levels of progressive stimulation with a replaceable battery. The rechargeable SBC10 collar gives you 2 modes, a plug-and-play or a programmable mode that allows you to quickly set the collar to one of 10 specific stimulation levels. Our flagship rechargeable SBCR adapts to your dog with temperament learning. It starts with the stimulation level low and progressively adds stimulation, sensing the level that works best and sets itself there. Not too little, not too much. Just the ideal balance based solely on what your dog needs. The SportDOG NoBark collar family. Hear the quiet?